So as I have already discussed with you, जब भी हम शेड्यूल 3 फॉर्मेट बैलेंस शीट पढ़ रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले तो हमें मेन हेडिंग्स याद रखनी है everyone, correct? Tell me, what are the four headings in equity and liability side? Shareholders funds, then share application, money pending allotment, non-current liability and current liabilities. Shareholders funds में मुझे बताना कि क्या-क्या आता है? Equity, share capital and reserves primarily. What is share application, money pending allotment? People have given us money, but हमने उनको अभी तक share issue नहीं किए, so it has not yet become share capital, but it is not also your liability. However, currently you have taken money from people, so it is kind of like there is a liability. तो हमें liability side को उसको record करना पड़ेगा in between capital and liability, correct? So non-current liabilities कौन सी liabilities होती है? Long term. Current liability short term. When I say short term, I mean less than 12 months. Assets में non-current assets, मतलब कि long term use वाले assets, more than 12 months आप use करते हैं current assets, जो less than 12 months में आपको cash convert करके दे देंगे, right? Like debt or stock, which are going to get converted to cash. So this is the way you remember Schedule 3 format balance sheet. सबसे पहले तो ये 4 heading और उसके नीचे ये 2 heading, 4 heading equity liability and 2 heading in assets. Now let us discuss this balance sheet in detail. Okay. So this is part 1 Schedule 3 Company Act 2013 and students format कैसे होता है? Particulars, notes to accounts, current year figures and earlier years figures, amount rupees, but हमें एग्जाम में पिछले साल का तो डेटा दिया नहीं होगा, तो यही साल का डेटा हमें यूज करना है. एंड एज यू कैन क्लियरली सी यहाँ पे जो 4 हेडिंग हम लोगों ने पढ़ी थी वो हमने यहाँ लिखी है. इक्विटी लायबिलिटीज में बोलो क्या 4 हेडिंग लिखी है, फटाफट मेरे को बताओ. शेयर होल्डर्स फंड्स, क्या जोश है, मेरे कान फट गए एवरीवन. नंबर 1 शेयर होल्डर्स फंड्स, नंबर 2 share application, money pending allotment, number 3 non current liability, and number 4 current liability. Let us see कि shareholder fund में क्या क्या आता है. Students, in shareholder fund सबसे पहले तो आपको मिलेगा equity share capital and preference share capital. Am I right? बोलो क्या आएगा share capital में? Equity share capital and preference share capital. Reserves and surplus में क्या आता है? All profits. बता क्या आएगा? All profits. All profits में general reserve, P&L account, securities premium, capital redemption reserve, any capital reserve, any revaluation reserve. This is fine, etc. एक important चीज आपको बतानी थी, as per para 56 of AS 26, Accounting Standard 26 issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, preliminary expenses and any expenses which are fictitious assets, which are incorrectly recorded as assets, should be written off against profit. So हम क्या करेंगे? Reserve surplus में से minus कर देंगे any preliminary expense or any other expense wrongly recorded as asset. Profit से minus हो जाएंगे ना expenses आपके, right? तो वही यहाँ पे reserve surplus से minus करेंगे. Money received against share warrants. मुझे बताना कि share warrants क्या होंगे? They give you the right to get equity shares in future. Is everyone with me? Okay. Share application, money pending allotment मतलब कि क्या? Money received, हमने money ले लिया लोगों से, but shares अभी तक issue नहीं किए. Shares are not yet issued. This is okay. बोलो. Non-current liability मतलब कि क्या? Long-term loans. बोलो. Non-current liability क्या होती है? Long-term loans. When I say long-term, I mean 12 months or more. आपको pay करना. You are not supposed to pay it within 364 days. It is paid after 364 days. मतलब क्या है? 356th day or 365th day or उसके आगे. तो dear students, long-term borrowing आ जाएगा, उसमें bank loans आ जाएंगे, deferred tax liability. What is deferred tax liability? It arises because of difference in tax computation and accounts के हिसाब से computation. This is fine everyone. So deferred tax liability मतलब कि you have saved money now. You have saved money now, and later you have to pay. Save now, pay later. मतलब कि क्या? मतलब कि जब आप प्रॉफिट कंप्यूट करते हो as per कंपनी एक्ट रूल्स, that profit is different when you compute profit as per Income Tax Act 1961, that profit is different. Because of these two different profit, there is a taxation liability or asset which is created. I will repeat again. As per taxation law, the rules are different to compute profit. As per Company Act, the rules are different. So you have two different profits. वो दोनों profits का जो taxation impact होता है, वो जो difference होता है, उसको deferred tax asset या liability बोलते हैं. ये CA की क्लास में सिखाने के लिए मुझे 3 घंटा लगता है. I require 3 hours in CA inter class to teach this. I definitely cannot teach you in 1 minute. You just need to remember that this is a liability or an asset which is created because of difference in tax computation and accounts computation of profit. बस ये हमारे करिकुलम में नहीं है. This is okay अभी. मैं आगे आता हूँ. Other long-term liabilities, long-term provisions. Current liabilities क्या होती हैं मुझे बताना? Liabilities which you have to pay within 12 months. So you have to pay liability within 12 months. बोलो क्या क्या आता था इसमें? Short-term borrowing, trade payable, other current liability, short-term provision. What are trade payables? Creditors and bills payable. This is absolutely okay, no problem at all. आपको जो marking करना था आपने कर दिया है? Because I'm proceeding ahead now. No, you don't require to write anything. Students, let us move over to assets now, and let us see कि assets में क्या various headings होती हैं. So everyone, assets में सबसे पहला heading है non-current asset. Non-current means you are going to use for more than 12 months, and current asset you are going to convert it into cash within 12 months. That is current asset. So let us see कि assets में क्या various headings हमें लिखनी है. सबसे पहले तो एवरीवन फिक्स्ड एसेट्स में टैंजिबल. व्हाट इज टैंजिबल? टैंजिबल एसेट्स बोलते हैं जिनका फिजिकल फॉर्म होता है, which you can touch. It physically exists like land, building, plant, machinery, furniture. Intangible assets क्या होते हैं? जिनका no physical form होता है. But dear students, intangible assets are your intellectual properties. They are your IP, and they help in generating a lot of revenues like patent, copyright, goodwill, etc. Capital work in progress मतलब कि tangible assets which are in manufacture or production. Is this okay? And dear students, intangible asset under development are intellectual properties which are in WIP मतलब कि under production. Okay, under development. Non-current investments मतलब कि long term investments. Deferred tax asset बोलो. Deferred tax asset क्या होता है? Pay now, save later. It arises due to timing difference in taxation profit and accountancy profit. देखो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा टैक्स भर दोगे ना because of timing difference, तो उसको हम deferred tax asset बोलते हैं. आपने आज पे कर दिया है, pay now, save later, कल आपको नहीं भरना पड़ेगा. उसका ऐसा मीनिंग होता है. लॉन्ग टर्म लोन्स एंड एडवांसेस और ये सब अगेन लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स है आपके. और ये सारे करंट एसेट्स क्या है बोलो? दे आर पार्ट ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल साइकिल. रॉ मटेरियल इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू WIP, WIP is converted into finished good is sold to debtor give you cash, and then cash is paid to creditor, right? So current assets are part of working capital cycle, और ये सब आप liquidate करके cash and cash equivalent में convert कर दोगे within 12 months. That is your current asset. Easy everyone?